Bacillus Thuringiensis subspecies Kurstaki, commonly referred to as BTK, is a bacterium found naturally in soils. BTK controls the larvae of the Lepidoptera that feeds and causes damage to the crops around the world, like Plutella zelastella, Helicobacter acetylum, for webworms, and so on. When these insects eat the BTK, it releases endotoxin in the intestine. It causes insects' intestinal paralysis and makes insects stop feeding and diarrhea. Eventually, the intestinal wall of the insects breaks down until they die. This is a set of experimental data from Mr. Yu et al. In Nanchang, Jiangxi Province, China in 2013. It is the comparison of the control effects of BTK, amazonate, and dipteryx. The data shows that BTK provides similar controlling effect to the larvae of Plutella zelastella, comparing to amazonate and dipteryx. And BTK also has the unique advantages of biopesticides. More selective, BTK can only affect the kinds of foliage-feeding caterpillars. It is safe to bees, lacewings, ladybird beetles, and other beneficial insects. More secure, BTK's featured function only works on the intestinal system of the caterpillars, so it is safe to human beings and animals if someone accidentally eats it, touch it, or inhale it. Once it enters the body, BTK does not multiply and causes infection. Instead, much of it is broken down and leaves our bodies quickly. BTK is a naturally occurring bacterium in the environment. When BTK is on the surface of the plants, sunlight rapidly breaks them down. They are also broken down by other microorganisms. In the soil, in water, BTK cannot reproduce, so it is friendly to the environment. More valuable as organic. The Organic Materials Review Institute Armory has determined that BTK is certified for use in organic agriculture and gardening. BTK has been used by organic gardeners and farmers to control caterpillars on the organic fruits and vegetables throughout the world for many years. Slower resistance. After persistent and repeated using of chemical-based insecticides, caterpillars can easily develop resistance, thereby reducing the performance of the insecticides. As a bioinsecticide with unique mode of action comparing to traditional chemical insecticides, BTK is also recommended to be used in rotation with chemical insecticides so as to bring more difficulty to the resistance development. So with BTK introducing into the insect management program, the performance and cost effectiveness of all the products in the program can be improved.